Alright folks, welcome back to stage 2 of Let's Make a Name Tag. In our first video we made some cubes here, we put them in a line, and we had enough letters that each cube is suitable for one letter of our name. I am going to write the word Cuba on here, on my keychain, because someday in life I would love to take a trip to Cuba. Alright. So I need to focus on these drawing tools. And the real reason we're doing this is just to give us some practice with the drawing tools to become better with them. Okay. I know there's a text button at the bottom, but we're not going to use the text. We're going to practice using the drawing tools. All right. So the first word in Cuba is a C, and I need to draw a C. There's going to be more than one way that you can draw a lot of these, and I'll just show you one way. If you come up with your own, that is fine. All right. I know Cuba with a C is rounded, so I'm going to use this tool right here. It's called a 2-point arc. If you're not sure what they do, whenever you cursor over something, it does tell you what that drawing tool does. Okay, so 2-point arc means I am going to click to tell the computer where I want to start my arc and tell it where I want to stop my arc, and then I can move my mouse and actually bend it in the middle. So this kind of looks like a C. I'm going to do one more of those just a little farther out, and I want to make these either block letters or bubble letters so that I can pull them away from the surface of the cube. Okay, so hopefully by this point you can see how it's going to look like a C. I can go up and click on the pencil to join the ends. Okay, and then right here, let's see if it works. I have a C. Okay, I can rotate this just a little bit, and you kind of get a reflection to show you that that's an enclosed surface. Okay, I'm going to push-pull and bring it out just a little bit to give it some texture. Okay, there's a C. Next would be a U. I could start off with the pencil. I think a U kind of goes like this. And then on the other side, I'm going to do the same thing. I can start here. You could do uppercase or lowercase. It really doesn't matter. This is for you. And it's just to practice using the drawing tools. I'm going to go back to my beloved 2-point arc. I'm going to click on one end of the line here, one end of the line here. Oh, that didn't work right. If you ever do draw something and it's not how you want it to do, remember under Edit, there's always an undo button there. So I can undo that arc. Okay, let's try it again. Must not have gotten an end here. End point. There, I found an end point. Now it would actually go straight down. Let me see if I can work it this way as well. And that looks pretty good. Okay, push-pull. And I'll let you do this. You're going to do one block as each letter of your name on it. Practice using these different tools, and in no time your name tag keychain will look great. Good luck.